Welcome to Nova News. I'm Cynthia Stone. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how to use Google Tag Manager for your SEO. Tag management systems allow marketers, SEO experts, and webmasters to add or amend tags without having to make any changes to the page itself. A widely used tag manager is GTM, which stands for the Google Tag Manager. In many cases, SEOs use tag management systems to implement tracking and remarketing tags such as Google Analytics and Facebook tracking. You may also define rules to amend the HTML code of a page, using GTM to make SEO changes. Now, the main benefit of using Google Tag Manager for SEO is that you can allow you to apply simple changes to all pages on a website by using a single tag. Using GTM, you can apply changes to page titles, on-page content, and canonical tags in order to make the web pages better optimized for search engines. How to make SEO changes using Tag Manager. Many of the changes that you can use making GTM for SEO purposes involve amending attributes of elements, adding new elements, or adjusting content on a page. Now, if you're not confident in your ability to implement changes with the GTM, your SEO company can help you achieve this. GTM is particularly useful to e-commerce websites with multiple products and categories. So how effective is this? Now, it's important to understand that there is still uncertainty as to whether Google, among other search engines, will execute, or rather see and index the changes made using GTM. The fact remains that Google doesn't index and crawl content that is implemented using JavaScript as easy as it does HTML content. So when do you use GTM? You may use GTM to add a tag that inserts mobile switchboard tags. This is especially useful if you have a mobile site that has the same URL structure. It works by replacing the www with an M at the front of the URL. And you may also use GTM to add non-index tag, which will automatically eliminate existing meta tags, which are robotic. This tag can be used when you want to hide products that are out of stock in a particular element on the page. Thank you for watching. I'm Cynthia Stone. Make sure that you like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.